Okay, we're going to go over one of the problems from each of the 2 pages that we have to do from the bookwork. And let's start with this right here. Can everyone see the problem on the screen? It doesn't look like it's presenting yet. Okay, here it comes. Okay, so we'll actually do 4 of our problems right here. And we've got to match the stories to the words. And I can see there's 4 stories here and 4 graphs. So let me get a different color pen here, and let's start here with number 75 and see which one of these graphs matches it. So it says, as the blizzard got worse, the snow fell harder and harder. Okay, so I look at A, B, C, and D, and I see as time goes forward, where is there more snowfall? Well, consistently, it looks like it's A, but I don't want to say it's A yet. I want to check the other ones first. But for now, I think it's A. I'm going to put a little A here. Okay. The snow fell more and more softly. Well, if the amount of snowfall is leveling off here, that means there's a little bit less. I can see that from here to here, it only changed this much. It only changed that much. So it's going less and less. I'm going to guess the answer here is D based on that. 77. It snowed hard, but then it stopped. After a short time, the snow started falling softly. So here it looks like it went up, it went soft, and then it has a lower slope. Lower slope. So I'm going to guess B. And when I look at 78, it should be kind of the opposite of 77. It snowed softly, then it stopped. After a short time, the snow started falling hard. See this really steep thing right here? That means that in this short time, this much snow fell. That's a lot of snow. So the answer to this one's going to be C. So you're going to have to go through these, and you're just going to have to try to picture which of these graphs goes with each of these comments here. Okay, this will be on the video if you need to watch it later. Let's open another one, another window to share, and let's go over one more problem. And this is going to be similar to what we've been doing already. So read the directions. Here it comes. Okay. In exercises 77 to 92, use the graph to determine the function's domain, the function's range, the x-intercepts, if any, and the y-intercept, and the missing function values. Down here is the missing function values. So let's go through it. Okay. So let me make a smaller font so the whole answer will fit there. Okay, so for letter A, they want the function's domain. And the domain, as I've been telling you, for any quadratic function is negative, infinity. I'm not going to go look for infinity on Google. Normally you want to, well, let me show you. I might as well show you. If you go to Google and you type in infinity symbol, I know you can't see me doing it right now. If I go to type in infinity symbol, and I hope this works, it works on all the other programs, and you just highlight it and copy and paste it, it should go on there. It works on GoFormative. 1 second here, going back to our screen. Infinity, there it is, comma, infinity. You can see I copied and pasted it from Google. I don't write INF or something, or infinity or something else. Okay, what about the function's range? Well, this one has a maximum value. It starts at negative infinity and goes up to what maximum value? You can hold it up with your fingers. What's the maximum value of this function? 4, very good. So the maximum y value is 4. So I'm going to go negative infinity, 4. And I'm going to put brackets here. because it's included. Letter C wants the x-intercepts. And I can see the x-intercepts right here at 1, 0, and right there at negative 3, 0. So 1, 0, and negative 3, 0. The y-intercept is where it hits right here on the y-axis. You can see where my cursor is. That'll be the point 0, 3. And for E, I've got to find the missing values. First, I have to find f of negative 2. And to do that, I'm going to go to negative 2 on the x-axis, and I'm going to go up to the graph. I can see it hits right here at this corner. That's negative 2, 3. So I put a 3. How about what is f of 2? I'm going to go over here to 2, and I'm going to go down to the graph. It looks like it goes to negative 5, right at the tip of the arrow. 2, negative 5. So if you look at these two right here, this is another way of writing an ordered pair. Input, output. Negative 2, 3, 2, negative 5. And that's it. Here we go. And video's off.